everyone. I appreciate you stopping in to see what I am up to. And today, I have my Facetory. Love this. I've been getting this over 2 years now. I can't believe it. I love, love, love this subscription. Let me give you an update while I take everything out of the bag. So I get the Forever Fresh kit, and it says it right there. I get 4 masks. And I get an email from Facetory that they are, and I'll just read this directly to you in case you get this one. It says, "Hi, Facetory fan. Hope you are doing well. First, we want to say thank you so much for being subscribed to our Forever Fresh. Second, we have a major update regarding this subscription. By April 1st, 2021, our Forever Fresh subscription will no longer be available." Boo-hoo-hoo. And it says, "We are so thankful for all your love you've given to this subscription, and we are sad to see it go, but no worries, we'll explain everything, so continue reading for some exciting news." What does this mean for the Forever Fresh subscription? Your Forever Fresh subscription will be canceled on March 31st, 2020. Then you will be upgraded to our 7 Lux subscription. Okay, I'll take the 7 Lux. So from April 2021 to July 2021, you'll get an extremely exclusive promotion as a huge gift. Here are more details. So from April to July 2021, you'll be charged only $14.95 per month. And because the original price is $19.99, so that's a 25% little savings there, off the normal price. And then in August 2021, the 7 Lux will go back up to the $19.90, which it normally cost. If you accept this deal with them, you just stay subscribed and everything stays the same. So starting in April, I'll get the April 7 Lux, it says. You get 7 luxurious sheet masks plus 1 to 2 bonus items every month. And then it just, I printed out, it gave you a few examples of what, were in their 7 Lux. I only got 7 Lux once, and that was when I became an ambassador. So I'm happy to get the 7 Lux and stay with Facetory. I love their sheet masks. They do also have a Lux Plus Box, $49.95 a season. And that's more your skincare, hair care items. And that's a wonderful box also. So sad to see the Forever Fresh kit go. But like I said, I love Facetory. It's a US-based company. They're out in California. So these are my 4 masks. So, I'm happy to continue to support them. So this is my card right here. And it does. And I always take photos of the card and the mask if you want to read a little bit about it. So the first mask, this one sounds very interesting. This is by Facetory, and this is Oats My Bananas sheet mask. Interesting. Key ingredient is Avena sativa, which is oat extract, which is a calming ingredient that helps minimize redness and irritation while also moisturizing the skin. It also evens out the skin tone and brightens complexions. It's worth $3.50. Yeah, Pure Skin. Love Pure Skin. This is a pear mask. This contains pear fruit extract, which is a hydrating ingredient that delivers antioxidant-rich protection to the skin while also brightening the complexion and reducing inflammation from dryness and acne. Value of $2. Ooh, avocado masks are so good. I mean, avocados in general are good for you. This is from Orgena Skin, and this is an avocado sheet mask. The key ingredient is avocado fruit extract, a skin replenishing ingredient that is softening and moisturizing to help calm, protect, and nourish your skin. This is $2. And then, I don't think I've ever, maybe we did get something from this brand. I'm not sure. It doesn't look familiar. Dito Skin Cherry Blossom Florist Mask. This is a value of $2.50. And the key ingredients are Prunus Cerulata Flower Extract. I have no idea what that is. It's probably cherry blossom. A nourishing and hydrating ingredient that helps add radiance and improves the appearance of darkness caused by uneven skin tone or acne scars. Nice. Love that. So this is my March. That's why I still have, they're always a month behind. That's why I have the Forever Fresh. So starting in April, which will be May for all of us, I'll get the 7 Lux, which I'm very happy to get. I love, like I said, I love their mask. That's just more for me to share, more for me to use, share with family, share in giveaways, all that good stuff. So that's the news for Facetory. Sad, but because I like the 4 mask, 1 a week, but 7, I can do 2 a week. I always have leftovers, so I can do 2 a week. I can still do my 1 a week and give them away. I share with my sister and my niece all the time, and I obviously put them in giveaways. So I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all having a great day, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.